The ability to accept offers for your listing is available at the Pro or higher tiers. To review, compare, and accept offers, start by clicking the Listing button and selecting the property. Under Listing Settings, select Offers. This is where you can enable or disable offers for your listing. Under Offer Instructions, you can add in deadlines, restrictions, or notes that will be seen by the buyer's agents making offers on your listing. To send an offer directly to another agent, type in their email into the search bar and click Send. From this page, you can submit an offer on behalf of another buyer's agent. If it's a new offer, start by selecting Unreviewed from the Status menu. Next, select the buyer's agent from the drop-down list. Now you can add in the offer price. The next 4 line items are for the net sheet that your client will be able to view and use to compare the estimated net profit they'll make from each offer. Next, select a closing date, the financing type, and input any concessions or contingencies if needed. Lastly, if there are additional documents such as a pre-qualification letter that need to be included, you can attach them by clicking here. Finish by clicking Submit. When you receive additional offers from other agents, those will line up here. After other offers are submitted, you can add in the net sheet information and click Submit to save. To export the comparison sheet to your client, click Export and choose Email or Print. Once you and your client have accepted an offer, you can change the status by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting from the list below.